Hello, this is Craig Mertens, Director of Product Education for Inktovo, the parent company of GraphicsFlow, Inksoft, and Printavo. GraphicsFlow benefits everyone in your shop, from your art department to your sales team. So how does GraphicsFlow help your business? There are 4 key components to the technology. First of all, you have an industry-specific art storage system. When you save or upload files to GraphicsFlow, it creates high-resolution image previews of most common graphics formats, including DST embroidery files. All of the production data is stored with the file and is searchable by assigning keyword tags. Anyone on your team can search, view, share, and download files. You also have a streamlined art approval process designed to optimize communication between the client, sales team, and art department. The approval is hosted on a web page. This ensures clear communication and eliminates back and forth emails. Everyone involved has instant visibility on the graphics. You can even create a graphic showcase of your artwork or our stock designs to assist your client when choosing artwork. Your clients have access to an interactive art portal that's embedded into your website. They can search, select, and submit designs for customization. An art request is generated for your team and can be assigned to a salesperson or an artist for follow-up. With access to a massive collection of interactive design templates, production-ready clip art, and fonts, you have the ability to customize graphics created in Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW directly in the platform using the stock art customizer. Anyone on your team can customize graphics without any graphics experience. The net result is a production-ready vector file that can be further edited in either Illustrator or CorelDRAW. Your entire team is empowered to get graphical ideas in front of your customers. GraphicsFlow makes your art department and sales team more collaborative and productive, reducing art development costs and accelerating the sales process. I've been managing art departments and sales teams for 30 years. The sales team doesn't always understand what it takes from the art department to create graphics and get them ready for production, and the art team doesn't always understand what the sales team has to go through to acquire and nurture clients. GraphicsFlow reduces friction between the sales and art teams. GraphicsFlow streamlines the communication around graphics and helps your staff align to best serve the customer. A well-organized artwork collaboration and approval process between your sales team and art department is critical for new client acquisition and customer retention. GraphicsFlow was designed to streamline communication and facilitate collaboration. Every team member has visibility on all processes relating to artwork. From my experience as a business owner, companies don't always consider the true cost of custom art development. You could be losing money if you're developing custom artwork for small orders. Custom art development makes sense for larger orders that cover development costs or orders that have reorder potential. Custom artwork can be a production roadblock. An order doesn't move forward until the artwork is finalized. It makes sense to develop custom artwork when you need to, not because you have to. Every second your art team spends on art production is a cost to your business. Artists enjoy the creative side of their work. There's a natural gravitation to the creative side of their job, which doesn't always align with the business's financial goals. Custom art development takes valuable time, which is an expense to your business. Reducing your reliance on custom art development will improve your bottom line. You can reduce your custom art development costs by engaging your clients with stock graphics. GraphicsFlow enables buyers to interact with the curated graphic showcase to streamline the art selection process. You can also direct buyers to an art portal where they can search, select, and submit graphics for customization. Anyone on your team can customize graphics with our stock art customizer. You're making it easy for your clients to select graphics, and you can put an end to recreating screen grabs from your online competitors. GraphicsFlow turns your art department into a profit generator. You can refocus your art department on activities that bring in revenue by being less reliant on developing custom artwork. You can reinvest time savings into producing sales proposals, stepping up your social media, and implementing prospecting campaigns using graphics and mockups. Everyone on your team is pulling in the same direction to reduce costs, increase sales, and grow profitably. GraphicsFlow will help you grow your business and increase your bottom line by decreasing lead time by compressing the art development process, streamlining communication between your sales team, art department, and the customer, shortening the sales cycle so your team can reach more customers, reducing your reliance on creating custom graphics, and allowing you to scale your graphics capability without additional hiring. With GraphicsFlow, your entire team is more productive, your art development costs are reduced, and your production capacity increases. Not a GraphicsFlow customer yet? Schedule a demo today and see how GraphicsFlow can help you to grow your business and improve your bottom line.